You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today we're pulling back the curtain on how SDC actually ships a piano across the globe. We'll take you through each stage of the journey from your living room to your new international home. Let's begin with a thought. Your piano has a life of its own. Its weight, its shape, its story. It all demands care. Shipping one safely requires an engineered process. Step 1. Pick up and safe loading. We start at your home. Our moving crew, trained specifically for instruments, arrives with the right tools. Padded blankets, heavy-duty straps, a piano board or skid, lifts and ramps, never stairs if we can avoid it. We secure the piano inside a shock-absorbent truck, keeping it stable for a trip to our warehouse. Step 2. Custom crating and skid mounting. At the warehouse, we begin the crating process. Your piano is wrapped in thick blankets, then foam-loaded plastic wrap. We attach it to a skid board, which is bolted down to a wood platform. Then we build a custom wooden crate, sized perfectly to your piano. International supports prevent movement during transit. The crate is sealed and labeled for overseas shipping. Step 3. Custom clearance and documentation. Here's where most people panic, but not with SDC. We take care of export documents, custom declarations, bill of landing, proof of ownership, international compliance, and if your piano has ivory keys, we handle it legally. Many countries ban ivory imports, but we'll help you legally retrofit your piano or provide certified documentation. Step 4. Insurance. We offer comprehensive transit insurance. That includes total loss coverage, all risk protection for partial damage, and valuation advice to make sure your policy matches your piano's true worth. This isn't about upselling, it's about protection for a piece of your life. And step 5, final delivery. Once your piano arrives at the port, we coordinate final transport. You can choose port pickup, door-to-door delivery, or white glove setup in your new home. Every partner we work with is carefully vetted for experience and trustworthiness. Take 5 minutes today to request your personalized piano quote. Prepare basic info, make, model, and destination country. We'll take care of the rest. From crate to concert hall, your piano is precious. Let us help it arrive safely, exactly the way it left. Visit SDC International Shipping to learn more or give us a call. 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.